Good morning, everybody, and welcome once again to Empowering Morning Conversations. So, for me, I don't know about you, but for me, every morning. Good morning. Was that Darshana ji? Can you mute yourself, please? So, I don't know about you, but for me, every morning is an opportunity to work with you all so that we can look at all those things that stop us from creating our life. Okay? Now, when I say creating your life, I think interesting thought should come up because back in 1982, when somebody said, are you living at survival or are you creating your life? So my reaction was, what is the meaning of creating my life? Okay. Because it seems to me that we are just trying to make sure that we keep on preserving the life that we have. So the question of creating my life didn't even arise. And even the thought that I can create my life, I was wondering, what is that? Okay. And slowly, as I have been evolving in this, consciousness, I'm beginning to realize, yes, we can be creators of our life. Actually, we are the creator of our life. So you might be shocked to know that you are already the creator of your life. The only problem is that when you are creating from your default mode, then you're just creating more of the same life every day. Okay? We may be creating the same problems every day. We may be creating the same worries every day. And then we allow ourselves to be influenced by so many things that are happening all around us. And they push us deeper and deeper into the default mode. So when I say the word creating your life, yeah. So what is it that comes into your mind? I'd love to hear that. When we talk about creating our life, what comes into your mind? And the way we are living our everyday life, is there even a possibility that we can create our life? Is there even a possibility that we can think about creating our life? So I'd love to hear some responses to that. What do you think when I say creating your life? Are you feeling better, Darshana ji? You'll have to unmute to say. Please unmute yourself, Darshana ji. Okay, so whenever you're able to unmute, you let us know.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning.
I want to create a joyful life. I want to be happy always. That's all I wish.
Okay, I understand that. I mean, this is what I'm understanding from you is that you're talking about what you want to create.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Anybody else? When I talk about creating your life, what comes to your mind? There was a time when somebody told me that you can create your life. It would have been unthinkable for me. My first reaction would be, what do you mean create your life? Darshana ji, I think you can log off and log in again. It'll become all right. Disconnect and connect again. Okay, somebody else? So Rama and Neeti are unmuted. Neeti, go ahead.
So it would mean when I visualize or conceptualize something, I'm able to actually administer it and achieve it.
Okay. So can you say something more about it?
So there are times when we set out like I want to do a business or I want to do something to help a friend, but then you go out to try and do it. Something in the way comes, or something happens, and you're demotivated, or something happens and you're just stopped in between. Or even if you want to do something for yourself, like, you know, apply for a higher qualification or something, and it just doesn't happen. Your papers don't get processed, or your email doesn't get answered, or due to some unknown reason, there is a blockade and the process does not go through.
Okay, I got it. And we are going to find out what is it that we are doing that, doesn't allow it to happen. Yes, Hasina ji, you were saying something. Please unmute yourself. Yeah.
Sir, I have decided not to worry about the future, and whatever planning is happening in my life, look forward to the positive part of the planning. Now we are planning to go to Goa. I'm going to be in that thought all the time. How I'm going to enjoy, what I'm going to do. So my days will pass till we go in this happiness that we are going to Goa.
I got it. So that's what creating means to you. Yes, Abhinav.
Yes.
See, for me, creation means things. See, right now there are certain things. When I'm default mode, there are certain things are possible and certain things are not possible. But when I'm creation mode, then lot more things become possible. For example, in my default mode, I can't be happy, or there are specified on these. If this happens, then I will be happy and satisfied. But when I'm in creation mode, then the amount of situations are much more, or I can just be happy just like that without whatever may be the situation, or I can be satisfied whatever may be the situation. I can give top performance whatever may be the situation.
Yes.
So that is what creation mode for me.
That's what it means to you. Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Yes, Ramaji.
Yes, sir. For me, the creation mode is to come out of default mode in the first place. The default mode is something like bubble. It is created, and I just keep going inside that again and again without any broader view or the infinite view which is possible. So that's what I think, exactly.
Okay, very nice. Thank you very much. Anybody else? What does it mean for you? Creating life. Darshani ji, try to unmute yourself again. Okay, in the meantime, we will listen to Aruna ji. Yes, Aruna ji, go ahead. Darshana ji is unmuted.
Yes.
Let us speak first. Then Aruna ji.
No, I came in late because I couldn't hear anything. So I logged out and relogged.
Yeah. So what we're asking you is, what does it mean to you when I say create your life?
To do something which you have thought of doing, but now have not been doing it so far for some reason. And you come out of that mode and do what you've been wanting to do.
Okay, I got it. Very nice. Thank you very much. Yes, Aruna ji, bataiye.
I just want my life to be grateful, peaceful, and fulfilled. So whatever comes in my way, I will do it to make it.
Okay, so you're talking about what you want. My question is that when I say create your life, what does it mean to you? जब हम कहते हैं आप अपने जीवन को create करें, so what thoughts come to you? आपने जो बोला है उसमें बहुत दम है, मगर जो मैंने पूछा है वो भी बताइए जरा.
मतलब I don't plan like that. I think every day the situation will come and I have to handle it in the positive manner and like in my awareness and like whatever comes in my way, I will take it and do it.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Okay, anybody else? When I say create your life, what does it mean to you? See, when you create your life, it's not the same as it is now, is it? So I want you all to think about our everyday life. What are we doing every day anyway? Right? Even if, for some, we have some gizmo, some device where your face cannot be made out. Right? People will still recognize you by seeing you. Okay? In your home. What do you think? How will they be able to recognize you? How will you be able to recognize yourself? When we are doing, all our actions, all our thoughts, all our behavior is quite predictable, isn't it? And we like it very much because it's predictable. Right? So my question is, predictable only happens when you're doing the same thing over and over again, right? So I asked you, what does creation mean to you? So you all said, oh, I will be doing this differently. Fine. So have you noticed we only think about doing? So creation, we think it can happen only when I am doing something different. But there's a lot more happening to you rather than only doing things, isn't it? I mean, you could create a different way of being. You could create a different way of thinking. Even the way you do things is quite the same, right? You look at the way we walk, it's the same. If we walk at a certain pace, we will walk at a certain pace. If we have a certain posture, we will have the same posture. We will laugh also in a particular way. We will scratch your face also, you know which hand you're going to use. Have you noticed how much? So that's what it means. Default mode means what? If you observe yourself, suppose you were like a fly sitting on the wall and observing you, what would you see? You would see a person who's following the same routine, he's doing the same thing, right? He laughs the same way, he stands the same way, sits in the same way. Everything is the same. Am I right or wrong? What else are you doing in the default mode? You're resisting the same things. You're reacting exactly in the same way. And from time to time, you'll remember, oh, Sukhdeepak said we should create our life, right? So maybe you'll say, okay, what should I do differently? And don't worry, I'm not asking you to do anything right now. I'm only saying think. So do you notice that even difficult to think on this? So here's a question for you. In the last 5 days, what are the things that you have done differently? So who would like to share with us that? In the last 5 days, what are the things that you did differently? Come on, you don't have to think so much, yeah. Come on. Sagar, I think we should make them do laughing exercise, then only their brain will open. Yes, Neeti ji.
My reactions have been much less.
Achha, so what are you doing differently?
I have not done anything. You've done.
But you're reacting less.
Much less. And my voice and tonal quality is also much controlled.
Imagine now if you go and take a class, how interesting it will be.
Oh, yes. Wonderful.
Okay. Thank you very much for being bold to speak on this. Who else? In the last 5 days, what have you done differently?
So good morning, sir.
Good morning, Major Saab. How are you?
I'm doing good,
So
sir.
nice to see you so early today.
Yes, sir. Being Sunday, I thought I'll have to do something to discreate myself.
Yeah. No, you'll do something differently today.
Yes, certainly, sir. For the past 1 week, I started going to the for my workout in the evening, rather late in the evening, between 8 and 9. The morning I've been finding myself quite engaged. So I thought, let me just have a different schedule. That is one which I've been doing differently, sir.
Okay, one thing, very good. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
At least he found one thing that he's doing differently.
True, sir.
Sometimes it's very hard to find out. Na? Okay, what am I doing differently? Yes, Mr. Sagar Acharya, how are you this morning? Anji, boliye.
Good morning, sir,
Morning.
and good morning, everyone. Okay, in last these 5 days, I am opening up myself so much that people really could not believe that I could, share the thing that I love. I could do the thing that I love. People are just questioning me all the time. What really happening to you? And I say it's a magic, and I say that stop blaming and start living. It's quite a kind of magic happening all the time, and I am opening up like never before. Never before. What I am thinking, I am putting out in social media, in Facebook, in YouTube, everywhere. So this is really happening in my life in these 5 days.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, yes, Reddy Garu, what are the things that you're doing differently in the last 5 days?
I just appreciated what.
I know. I just realized it. I said, let us appreciate you also, no?
Thank
So
you.
you can also say, did you do anything differently in the last 5 days?
I don't remember, sir. Sorry.
Okay, that's interesting. I mean, I like honest people, you know. Most people won't remember what they did differently, you know. You know why? Yes, Darshana ji.
I would like to say that I tried the confrontation when I said I was helpless at confrontations. In the last 3 days, I could stand my ground with 3 people without feeling helpless and doing what I thought was right and standing my ground on it and making them accept that yes, I was in the right and I could go ahead. So that for me, standing my ground was a big breakthrough for me.
Congratulations.
Even yesterday, as I told you, there was a lot of noise and partying in my house. I couldn't stand it. And 2 o'clock in the morning, I went and told them off, and they all apologized. And I told them this should never happen again, and they agreed that this will never happen again. So that for me was a big breakthrough.
You know what the real breakthrough was?
What?
You did not allow your helplessness to stop you. Yay!
So that for me was a big step, and I hope it continues.
It certainly will. What do you mean? I hope it continues.
No, it will continue. It will continue.
Yeah, that's better. Yes. Abhinav ji,
What happened differently was yesterday morning.
Not what happened. What did you do different in the last 5 days?
I was peaceful.
What?
I was peaceful where I would have panicked. So when many times when I panic, people don't come to know of it that I'm panicking. But it's an internal panic in my case. Thought में क्या होगा क्या होगा क्या होगा क्या होगा ये हो गया क्या होगा क्या होगा और एक फियर होता है कि अल्टीमेटली घूम फिर के ना घर वाले सारा पे मेरे सिर पे डाल देंगे आई एम द फॉल गाय एट होम इसी की गलती है सारी पाकिस्तान ने अटैक किया श्रीलंका हाँ नथिंग लाइक
अरे प्लीज अनम्यूट माथुर साहब. Anyway, we'll come back. So there are different ways in which we can come out of our default mode, isn't it? And some of them we are learning. So today I want to work with you to do something which we will talk about. But let's remind everybody, why are we here? Why are we here in the Empowering Morning Conversation? So one of the most important things that you can get for all of us by being here is that you can start doing things differently. You can start thinking differently. You can start responding to life differently. You can start creating your life. But all that will happen when you set yourself free. जब आप अपने पिंजरे से बाहर निकलेंगे, then you will be free. You know, when you come out of that gilded cage in which we live. Somebody was sharing, I think yesterday or day before, that we are in a golden cage and we don't want to come out of it. So when we are doing the same thing over and over again, when we are thinking the same thing over and over again, when more than 90% of what we do is in the habit mode, okay, can any creation happen? We are only victims of the world, victims of our feelings, victims of all the influencers all around. Okay. Now, ideally speaking, who should be the influencer in your life? You can put in the chat box, who should be the influencer in your life? Reddy Garu, if you want to say, you can.
Yourself, sir.
Exactly. So if you want to create your life, you will have to be the influencer in your own life, right? But if you check and see what is happening, who is the influencer in your life? Definitely not you. Are you even aware who is influencing? So let me tell you, today's topic is to find out what our habits, you know, there are our habits which keeps us a prisoner of the survival mode. Our habits keep us the prisoner of the default mode. So one question which you should always, one thing you should always keep in your mind, you know what it is? How do I find out if I'm in the default mode? So default means what? Rama, can you explain to them what is the meaning of the word default?
Default is the status quo. Whatever we have, the same thing continues. No change in it, and it becomes a routine without thinking.
Right. So as human beings, what is it that we do most of the time which does not require any thinking?
Habits is one.
That's it. Whenever, see, habits are an automatic, what shall I say, algorithm or something that we have made, right? Which works in the background and you're just doing things because of habit. It doesn't require any thinking. So I just want to remind you that when you learn to drive a cycle or a car, and when you were learning, how much thinking was required, no? How to keep the handle straight, how to keep your balance, when to press the clutch and when should you press the accelerator, etc. When to change the gear, a lot of thinking was required. Then it became a habit, right? Now you can drive your car, you can look at interesting things on the road, you can listen to the radio also, talk on the phone also, all at the same time, but you don't have to think. So what we have done for our convenience, okay, is that we've converted most of the things that we do into an automatic action. And that automatic action is known as a habit. So at some point, we have surrendered to the automatic action. What we in, Access, we call it the become X. Yeah, so we release you from that automatic mode. So that automatic mode is comprised of all the habits that we have. Habits of doing things, habit of thinking. Even our thinking is habitual. We think exactly in the same way. Our habit of judging. What other habits we have? Habit of thinking, habit of judging. Every action that we do is mostly 90% habitual. Now, if something happens in life which your habit is not able to deal with, then you know what label we put on it? Problem. So anything which happens in our life that our habits are not able to automatically deal with, it becomes a problem. Anything which happens which forces you to think, that also becomes a problem. Because in our habit mode, we don't want to think. So I want you to reflect on the last 3 days of your life and tell me what actions did you do which is not your habit? What thoughts did you do that is not your habit? You'll be surprised to know that most of what you do, most of what you think, most of the way that you be is also your habitual way of being. And you want your life to change. Interesting, isn't it? So let's hear from a few of you. By the way, I just want to remind you who you are. Do you know who you are? You are a wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary human being who was created by who? In his own image. And you deserve to be loved and respected for who you are. So with all this drama that we are doing here, don't forget that. Whatever may be your default mode, you are still a wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary human being. Okay, so I want you to reflect and share with me how much the day was just the habitual, usual day and what was the different thing that you did. And I request every one of you, see, there are some people on this call who speak, and there are many people on this call who don't speak. So that is your default mode, isn't it? You don't have a habit of speaking on an online program. So how about doing something differently today? So the people who don't speak, I request you to speak also. For example, Abu Bakr comes, he never speaks. So I'm wondering whether he's coming as an observer or a participant. So please answer my question, anybody? And special invitation to those who don't normally speak. वो गाना आता था ना, देश का प्यारा सबका दुलारा कौन बनेगा हम दीदी. तो हमारा दुलारा कौन बनेगा? Who is going to share? Yes, Gautam ji.
Last 5 days, what I have noticed, I was trying to come out from my default mode. I'm thinking that is what I can do, something new venture. I'm going to see the place. I was trying to understand the same business, how people are doing, what is their constraint, like that. I've spoken with them. And I got the feedback. Some are negative feedback, some are good feedback, like that. In the meantime, one of my friend, he introduced with a company. We were having the production unit at Bangalore, and the discussion started yesterday. This is a common human change. What inside I have changed, same thing what Nitiji told, she mentioned, that is, I like her also, it influenced me. I became calm, quiet, listening the people, less reactive, to absorb more information. I have developed the habit to listen more. That is, I have noticed. And some
Okay, very nice.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, so we are recognizing and sharing with everybody all our habits which are keeping us stuck in our survival mode. Okay? Or whatever you've seen in the last couple of days. Go ahead. Yes, sir. अभिनव जी बताइए, हम आपका इंतजार कर रहे हैं.
सर क्वेश्चन जरा रिपीट करें, मैं तो कुछ और ही क्वेश्चन समझे बैठा था.
कोई नहीं, आपने जो समझा उसका जवाब पहले दे दीजिए, फिर हम आपको और भी समझा देंगे.
हाँ, मुझे क्वेश्चन ये लग रहा था कि लास्ट 4-5 डेज में व्हाट हैव यू डन डिफरेंटली.
हाँ, वो पहला क्वेश्चन था, उसका आंसर दे दीजिए.
हाँ, तो नथिंग. आंसर इज नथिंग. There were moments in my life in the last 5 days where I experienced happiness and satisfaction. लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि कुछ it was also out of habit of a different time. It was not that I did something different, but something differently, something which I've been doing in the past also. Or so this is nothing is the answer. I could not think of anything which I did differently.
Okay, the second question was asked first. उसका opposite क्या था? मतलब कि भाई you didn't do anything differently, ना?
Yeah.
That means you did the same thing. which you always
Yes.
do.
Yes.
And whatever you always do is what keeps you stuck in your survival mode.
Absolutely.
All right. So we are always, so we are doing things habitually, mentally, physically, emotionally, and energetically.
Yes.
Okay. So what are we doing which keeps us stuck in our survival mode? वो कौन सी आदतें हैं? सोच, हमारी सोच भी एक आदत है. सोचने का तरीका, let us put it this way. The way we think is also habitual, isn't it? One of the habitual things we do is always judging ourselves and others. So what are the other habitual things which we are doing physically, mentally, emotionally? And if you're able to recognize that, share it, because you know that this is what is going to keep you stuck.
Yes. So one of the habit is that always thinking कि कोई बुरा तो नहीं मानेगा. What I'm doing,
Somebody should not feel bad about
somebody
it.
should not feel bad about it, but someone should not feel upset about it. Always the thinking is from that side.
There's one thing which you are not also sharing,
If I
Abhinav.
don't do this, then he will feel bad, he'll feel upset.
There's one more thing you're not
Yeah.
sharing. That if people, see, people, if I do this, people may criticize me.
Yes, yes, yes.
वो भी है ना तुम्हारा?
वो भी है. If I do this, people will criticize me.
So
So
now
actually-
I want everybody to listen to this because it's true for many of us. I think so. Abhinav is saying it. How many things we don't do because we are afraid that people will criticize us? How many things we don't say because we are afraid that people will criticize us? How many things we don't even think? If people find out, they will criticize us. So these are how many things that we do because we think we don't do. क्या-क्या चीजें हम जो नहीं करते हैं, coming from a fear that people might criticize us. Okay. On the other side, how many things we do because we think that people will criticize us. हम कुछ चीजें नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि हमको डर होता है कि somebody will criticize us. And there are many things we do because we are afraid that people will criticize us. Right? Has everybody got that? So let's hear what you have to say, Abhinav, and other people also.
And then second habit is alkas.
Second habit is what?
Procrastination, alkas. I don't want to do anything.
Right. So in your habit mode, did you notice that you were doing that?
Yes. And why I take action only because something unpleasant might happen, not because I promised something or I should be doing something. So most of the things I do is out of what people will say and how to avoid criticism.
Okay, good. So now do you see that this habit, yeah, is coming from your survival mode? And what is the impact in your life? So think about it and you can share after some time. In the meantime, let us ask Ramaji. Ramaji wants to share something.
Yes, sir. So the thinking process itself is the default mode. Today I observed as soon as I got up, the same old thoughts keeps coming up. Oh, this person is going to react like this today. This is going to happen like this. I have to be, handling this. Same old things again and again and again. So the thinking process itself is really very, very limited, like bubble, what I said last time. And then suddenly I realized that as soon as I get up, if I let this default thought process come in, and that is what is going to happen during the day. So then I realized the importance of meditation. Okay, maybe the meditation is one way of not allowing the default thinking process. Just at least clear it. Something new may come up. So that is the thinking happened this morning, sir, for me.
Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, let's hear from somebody else also. What are your habits from your survival mode? And what is the impact on your life? So who would like to say? Now let's hear some people who don't normally speak. What are your habits? And let me be clear on one thing. We have habits the way we think, many types of thinking is habitual. So that's in the mind. Many things that we do, right? And lots of our emotions are also default mode. Some people become bichara victims. So what I want you to identify and share with us. See, it's always good to know what are your habits. And these are the habits that you have cultivated, which keeps you in your survival mode. And what is the impact on your life? Are you beginning to see that? So are you people waiting for an invitation that I have to call upon you by name, then you will share your experience with us?
I would like to say something.
Yes, Darshana ji.
Yeah, I think habits are actions which are expected of you. And over a period of time, the expected actions, they become habits. And you also expect certain people to act or react in a certain way. And when they don't, it surprises you. It's maybe a pleasant surprise, maybe an unpleasant surprise, because that is not their habits.
Yeah, very good. Thank you so much for sharing that, Darshana ji. But my question was what?
What are your habits?
I said, what are your habits that keep you in the survival mode? All habits keep you in the survival mode. Okay?
Correct. But how do you get those habits?
That's not the question right now. Darshana ji, we got the habits because they were inculcated in us.
Correct.
Like they taught you to brush your teeth. Thank God they did that.
Right.
And right, they taught you to have a bath every day. Thank God they did that. They taught you how to behave properly. That thank God you did that. So I'm not an enemy of habits. Okay. But if 99% of what we do is habit driven.
Habits also come from observation. When you observe and adopt a certain thing.
I'm not getting into why do we have habits. We know that. Okay. This is not an inquiry into why we have habits. The inquiry is what is the impact of our habits. You know,
they stop you. They stop you from growing.
Exactly. They don't even let you use your brains.
Correct. They are in your path of non-growth because you're so habituated to them that you can't think of doing something different.
Yeah, you don't even think.
Yeah.
So can you imagine that? Can you imagine, Darshana ji, that 90% of what we do, more than 90% of what we do daily, we are doing it without thinking. Because that is the purpose of a habit. So if you are doing 99% of your things without thinking, when are you thinking then? And if you are not thinking, what is happening to your ability to think?
Correct.
Are you getting it? So that's the question, that these habits which we have made for whatever reason, they are keeping us stuck in the default mode, right? So life is going on like a machine. A machine doesn't have to think, right? So machine will work perfectly. If it is programmed to do something, it is going on doing what it has to do. But if that machine encounters a situation which it is not accustomed to, now it can't deal with that, correct?
So it stops.
So it stops. That's exactly happening to us also. Then we say, oh, problem. So it is good to identify what are those habits that keep us in the survival mode and what is the impact of that in our life. You see, as human beings, we'll never change unless we realize the price that we are paying. So if somebody says, "ठीक है, मतलब मेरे को तो कोई problem ही नहीं है," okay, good. So why would you change? But somebody is beginning to realize that the price that I'm paying by being in my default mode is not acceptable to me, then they might try to do something about it. Na? So all I'm asking is identify those habits that are keeping us stuck in the, see, yesterday you shared a beautiful thing, right? One of the habits that you formed, that in a confrontational situation, because you feel helpless, you withdraw from it. That became a habit. So whenever a situation came up, even if it, even if you thought that it might become confrontational, you would withdraw.
Right.
That became a habit. So yesterday you changed that habit, right? Or
Right,
you're in the process of changing it.
right.
So when you do this about 20 times, then it'll be normal for you not to be upset with a confrontational.
Okay.
Now, why did you change that? Because you realized the impact of that habit on your life.
Mhm.
So what I'm asking everybody to do is find out what your habits are that keep, the ones which keep you in the survival mode, and what is the impact of that in your life, right? So you identified one yesterday and you discreated it. All right, Kasa, and then after that we will have our friend Sagar, and after that we will have our friend Vilas.
So one thing from the survival mode, what I identified is, even though I have right intentions or whatever, it's just, I was trying to prove the other person I'm right. So that used to that used to upset me a lot. Now I don't get upset with the other's point of view. I just look at it, oh, that's an interesting point of view. So I'm not trying to prove any point. Whatever I've got to say, I just got to say. And whatever they, they say, or if they manipulate also, I just take it coolly.
So now you saw that impact of it, so you changed it, right?
Yes, sir.
Earlier you were trying to prove habitually. Have you noticed a lot of us have this habit? Self right, others wrong. We have to do it. It's a habit. Somebody asks you, where did you get your habit? You'll say, I don't know. Because you came across people who are always trying to make you wrong. So you also developed that habit. And there is an impact. So now you've released yourself from it. Yay, congratulations, Kasa.
Thank you.
You're feeling light, huh?
Light.
Yes, Mr. Sagar, and after that, Vilas.
Okay, sir, for me, you are talking about on habits. So I think it's my habit to go in bed with my mobile, and I could not sleep at the proper time. Maybe if I go bed with mobile at 9, then I will sleep just like at 11. So this is my one of the habit which really stopped me to wake up in the early in the morning, and this is really my habit. Really, I think it's a default, or it's a really bad habit for me.
Yeah, so you may want to identify others also. See, habits which keep you in the survival mode. Okay, these habits were made so that you could be in the survival mode. Why do you program a machine to respond automatically? Because it takes over your chores, no? So you get into the auto mode. You don't have to think, calm chal raha hai background mein. Habit is like that. So whenever you're doing habitual action, you don't have to use your brains, no? Ek process ban gaya hai, it is dealing with the things. So the problem with that is कि if you are 95% of the time doing things out of habit, तो सोचने की जरूरत कब पड़ती है? When do you need to think? We are not required to think only. So life is going on without thinking. Your habits are taking care. Whatever happens, you have a habit to deal with it. Now, life will always not come in that way, no? Habits can only help you to deal with the situations which you are prepared for. Okay? Now, two things will happen. You will either stay in those safe situations. Safe means in situations where the situations in which your habits can take care of things, you will stay inside that only.
Okay.
And if you try to come out, you will feel very uncomfortable because now you have to think. And nobody likes to think. क्योंकि सोचने की आदत खत्म हो गई. We've lost the habit of thinking. Then what will we say? Problem. This is not good. I don't like it. Then you'll get stopped, right? So what I'm saying is start examining that whatever habitual behavior do you have, what is the impact of that in your life, and will it ever allow you to create your life? आप अपने जीवन का निर्माण कर सकेंगे कभी भी if you're stuck in your habit mode?
I don't think so, sir, because it will be always come in my life, in day-to-day life. It will be
Exactly.
compulsive. It will not be creative. It will be compulsive, sir.
Exactly. That is the point I'm making. Thank you very much for sharing. Yes,
Thank
sir. Mr. Vilas Kumar.
Good morning, sir. The habit what I identify, which is making me to live in default mode, is the habit of which lead that habit leads to that habit is not allowing me to be consistent and persistent in my efforts, in my work, the cash flow. Once I achieved certain cash flow, I feel okay, this is enough for next 3 to 6 months, and I go into complacency.
Chill.
So being consistent, persistent, and to develop that habit, that cash flow pot is making me, I feel okay, I have enough for next 6 months to survive and to take care of my investments and obligations and liability. So that stops me from working.
Okay,
So
would you like to say
this
the
is-
same thing one more time? You told it twice already. एक बारी
Yeah.
और बता दो, शायद हमको समझ में नहीं आई हो. So now that you see the impact of that in your life.
Yeah, I'm reaching somewhere, but I'm not reaching the where I should go.
Okay, so how do you know where you should go?
By already I decided certain goals, like, okay, this is where I can reach because I have that potential. But once I going to that tipping point, okay, I said, okay, enough. And that's why that become a default habit. From so many
Exactly.
years,
So
from so
same
many years I'm
cycle.
experiencing. Yeah, yeah.
खूब पैसा बनाओ, फिर चिल करो, फिर दौड़ो, फिर चिल करो, फिर दौड़ो.
Yeah, exactly. And when the things are on burning runway, that time it's crazy.
Then you will
Because
do panic actions also, na? फिर गड़बड़ भी हो सकता है.
panic actions, and that triggers that gives me kick. If I have a short span, and this thing, I think that is the habit I cultivated over a period of time. I have to just break through, and I have to make it happen.
Very good. Congratulations and thank you very much for sharing it. See, the reason I'm asking people to share it is that the moment you see it, you can share it. And the moment you share it, that is the first step in doing something about it. See, if you can't even share it, will you address it? See, if you want to change something, you'll have to take some action immediately, right? So let us say that you realize something in your mind and you don't take any action. Will something happen? Now, first thing, like Vilas said, is you share it. That is one action. Okay. After that, you will automatically think, okay, now what I have said it, I have told everybody I will change my habit. Now, what should I do next? Yeah. Then you be in that question. How does it get better than that? What else is possible? All right, Kasaji. And after you, we will come to Milanji.
So another thing, what I see is, rather than I want to get there or I want to get this, then taking mode, when we are in giving mode, things get much easier. That's something I noticed.
Okay. So that would be a new habit for a lot of people, right?
Yeah.
So have you noticed that habitually we are in the taking mode?
Yes.
Many people, their actions are coming from what can I get out of this? Or what can I get out of this person?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So it is not a habit to say, okay, how can I contribute?
How can I contribute was there in certain aspects. In certain aspects, it was missing. So that with that awareness in those areas also, it's getting. So it is making some difference there. The energy is making some difference.
Yeah, good. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yes, Milanji.
I was, in fact, assessing myself past few days, and I found the robot in me was taking me over rather than me taking over the robots. So I came to a very clear-cut understanding with my robots that, look, you lay off as long as something that is to be done from head, you will be doing it. Anything from heart, I will actually drive this. And I have actually taught him at times to instill the habit of bringing in heart while doing this work. This was something that was a very tough task for me, but I'm in this mode. I'm doing it slowly. I'm getting to enjoy my life more. Thank you.
Congratulations. Okay, so are you beginning to see how your habits are keeping you a prisoner and keeping you in the survival mode? The habits were made to keep you in the survival mode. Okay. So if you are beginning to realize that, then what do you want to do differently from now on? If you want to create your life. So have you noticed that even if you want to think about creating your life, what happens to you? So let's hear from some people who have been keeping very quiet. Umaji, would you like to talk to us?
I have just joined. I'm sorry, Sukhdeepak. I've just joined. I'm sorry. I got up late.
It doesn't matter. The question is very simple, that your habits that you have, which are there from your survival mode, what is the impact on your life? That's the question I'm asking.
Anxiety.
Your default mode keeps you in a state of anxiety.
Yes.
So is anxiety your default mode?
Yes.
Okay. So what do you want to do about it? That is the thing you'll have to think about now.
I mean, living in the future more than the present, then that means I'm doing at times, not always.
And how would you be able to do that?
I don't know. You guide me.
See, that's where, if you start identifying those habits which you keep you stuck. What I was telling everybody was that when your life has been converted into a set of habitual actions, and most of us are doing things habitually 90% of the time, and habitual actions don't require us to think. So we've lost the habit of thinking. So if you break out of these habits, of course, you'd like to retain some good habits. But if you get out of your default mode, then you'll have to start creating your life, isn't it? So as long as we are stuck in our default mode, and the default mode keeps us stuck because of the habits that we have. So what do you think we'll have to change in our life if we want a new life?
The way of thinking.
Okay. And then our habits also. Because when we do things without thinking, that's the habitual mode. So if you start noticing how much, in fact, today's session started by asking everybody, what have you done differently yesterday? And there were very few answers to that question.
I guess we do things without thinking. Without
because it's habitual things, right? What happened? Anyways.
Habit.
Which part of the country
Habits
are you
die hard.
Because we have no interest in making them die, no? It's very comfortable to live in your default mode, isn't it?
Yes.
That's why it's called the comfort zone. So before we leave the meeting today, I want to hear from a few people that if you were able to defeat your habits, okay, what would you create in your life?
Sir, I would like to, can I share, sir?
Yeah.
So first we form habits and then habits start forming us, sir. We are all, I found myself as a creature of habits, getting up in the morning, going for my workout, and then going about my normal activities. That has consumed myself in such a way that if I miss something, I feel a lot of anxiety coming into me.
Yeah,
So first
absolutely.
we form habit and then habit starts forming us. That is my take, sir.
Absolutely. So the question to ask yourself today, ladies and gentlemen, is what shall I do differently today? What should I think differently today? Do I want to be who I have always been? So here is a little statement for you to think about. What energy, space, and consciousness shall I be that would allow me to create my life moment by moment? And everything that stops that, am I willing to discreate that? Yes. What energy, space, and consciousness should I be that would allow me to create my life moment by moment? And everything that stops that, would I discreate that? Right, wrong, good and bad, good and poor, whole 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. So what energy, space, and consciousness shall I be that would allow me to create my life moment by moment and allow me to have what I want? So I want you to be in that question, ladies and gentlemen. And on that note, unless somebody has anything to say, I'd love for Rama to say something, then Vetrivel to say something before we close this meeting. And then finally, we will have Kunain to say a share. And of course, then Abu Bakr, you don't have anything to say ever on this call. You just come here to listen. Then you can listen to the recording. No, it's there on YouTube. You don't have to come here only if you don't want to participate. Sorry to say that. Because what's the point of being on a live session if you're not going to speak or ask or share anything? You know, if I don't find people participating, I'll stop doing live sessions. I will record my talk every morning and upload it. You watch it on YouTube. Yeah, that you can say also, no? Please, no. If you don't participate, what is the point of having a live session? That's my question to you. So you are coming here to watch the dramas of other people, eh?
Good morning. I don't want to discontinue the live session. That's why. So I will be in the section. So anytime I can come on mic if I get the time. Otherwise, if I disconnect now, so it will go like, okay, it's okay. I don't know, no need to participate.
Hey, Abu Bakr, I can't hear you clearly. Can you repeat what you said? I'm not able to hear what you're saying. What did he say, Vetri? Could you make out what you were saying?
No, sir. Some problem with the network, it seems. His
Never
voice
mind,
were
but
broken.
at least he spoke, no? So I'm very happy. Abu Bakr, thank you very much for participating today. We are very happy. Okay, Rama and Vetri. So please do participate, Abu Bakr. I know you are in a car or something, so your signal is not good, right? But we welcome you to come and participate. Oh, you are in a shared cab. Huh? Okay, I get it. Fine.
Yeah.
But this is a message for all of you that the advantage of being on a live session is if you participate, right? Otherwise, you can attend lecture session. I'll be happy. In fact, all my trainer friends are doing. Sukhdeepak, are you mad? Every morning you are doing live. Why don't you record and put it over there? I said, I don't enjoy it. At least thank God for the 4 or 5 people who speak, you know. Otherwise, this session will be so boring, no? Boring.
Lives are interesting. You can talk, share, put up a question.
क्या बाकी सारे यहाँ पे तमाशा करने आते हैं? 4 लोग बोलते हैं, बाकी तमाशा देखते हैं.
बाकी शर्माते हैं.
फिर उनके लिए गाना गाना पड़ेगा. ओ मेरी शर्मीली. Yes, Ramaji.
Yes, sir. So normally,
Kunain has also come.
Know.
Very good.
Yeah. So normally we don't even know that we are in default mode. So thanks for Mansi was unmuted. I muted. Okay, so normally we don't even know that we are in default mode and running the life with our formed habits. So thanks to your session, sir, we are at least able to understand that we are in default mode and we need to be in creation mode. That is the first and foremost thing. Second, even to start thinking, by default, we don't think, we just go with the default mode. So here is the sessions where we are forced to rather think on some important things in life. So that's the great thing here. And the third thing is we have so many tools which helps us to come out of default mode. So thanks to you on that as well. And another important thing is the sharing from various people really is giving the real life experience and learnings which we can truly apply for ourselves and benefit. So with so many advantages in these sessions, I think it's really, it's a boon for most of us who are here. Hope more people will join, and we will definitely make this as a big group and big celebration and great learnings and contributions. Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome. Yes, Kunen ji. After Kunen, we will have Abhinav, then we will have Vetrivel, so that we can go on a lighter note.
Thank you, sir. Sorry, there was some issue with my net. I'm still not able to fix my camera, so my apology. And I remember, sir, your very first statement, which had inspired me a lot about habit. And the sentence was that we all are the slaves of our habits. And if our habits are bad, we can understand what type of slaves we will be. But if we change the bad habits into good habits, and if we become the slaves of good habits, what would be the life? So I remember this statement long back in the empowerment talk.
I just want to repeat the statement so you all can get it right. It says that as a man, I'm a slave of my habits. So if I have to be a slave of my habits, I will form good habits and become their slave.
Yes.
Simple sentence.
So relating this powerful statement, what I learned from you, from that day, I'm in the journey of changing my habits. And let me share a shairi, if you allow me.
Of course, that's what I called you for.
अर्ज किया है कि कहती है मुझे जिंदगी कि मैं आदतें बदल लूं, कहती है मुझे जिंदगी कि मैं आदतें बदल लूं, बहुत चला मैं लोगों के पीछे, अब थोड़ा खुद के साथ चल लूं.
Wow.
So my focus is now be in the awareness mode, with the attention, without judgment all the time. And if I can develop this habit, definitely the life would be full of ease, joy, and glory. So
Wow.
Thank you so much, sir, for your blessing.
Thank you. And Abhinav ji, and then Vetrivel ji, and then after Abhinav ji, Leena ji. Or shall we let it be ladies first? Abhinav, let Leena ji speak.
Yes.
Yes. So good morning and good morning, everyone. What I realized that I think differently also, but can't do it because of habits only.
क्या बदलना पड़ेगा?
Yes, that's the problem, biggest problem.
ठीक है ना? See, yes. All of our habits are designed to keep us very safe, It's दायरे से बाहर मत निकलो, इसी में रहो. You see, the problem with habits is that they will keep you in that zone where the habit is able to take care of it. ठीक है, तो बाहर निकलने नहीं ना देगा.
Yes. Like I do it for I do it for 7-8 days, then again come to that habit, old habit.
Exactly. That is the problem with habit, na?
Yes.
Anyways, good. Thank you for sharing. Yes, Abhinav ji. You
Sir,
can
I
change the
wanted-
habit of talking also ना, बैठ के बोलो लेटने के बजाय.
हाँ, थोड़ी मेरे बैक में प्रॉब्लम थी, तो चल आपने बोला तो लेट बैठ जाता हूँ. Okay, so I wanted to share my experience about lack of participation. You know, when I was in Agra, my father was posted in Agra, so I was one of the better students in my class. So I used to participate a lot. Never be scared of giving a wrong answer. Teacher ने कोई question पूछा, I will always used to raise my hand and, you know, most of the times give an answer. And then my dad he was posted to Delhi, he put me in one of the best schools of Delhi, like top 5 schools of Delhi. And suddenly all the students were better than me. And then I stopped participating. मैंने कहा यार ये तो सबको पता चल जाएगा कि मैं तो भोंदू हूँ उनके सामने 1 नंबर का. और वो अभी भी होता है, ऐसा नहीं है कि ये एक ट्रेंड है कि अगर मुझे कभी कभी लगता है कि तो मेरे बाउंसर की तरह सिर के ऊपर से निकल रहा है, जब मैं चुपचाप बैठ के सुनता रहता हूँ. और कभी कभी जब मुझे लगता है हाँ बे समझ में आ रहा है, दैट इज द टाइम आई पार्टिसिपेट. सो आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट अदर्स. It's where I am, there is lack of participation.
Yeah, so if I understand you correctly, what you're saying is that if you don't understand anything, you will not ask a question because people might think you are an idiot.
Idiot, absolutely.
तो पूछोगे नहीं, but अगर पूछोगे नहीं, तो you will remain what?
Idiot.
That is my
habit. That is my habit, my trend.
तो जो आपकी मान्यता है, वो बार-बार आप उसको सही साबित करते रहोगे.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
So what do we get out of it? That is the impact, right?
Yeah, that's the impact.
Good, very good. Thank you so much for sharing it. Yes, sir. Vetri. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My understanding from the conversation is, sir, we have got a habit which keeps us in kind of a default mode or a survival mode, is because of most of the habits are subconscious, which we don't know it.
Yeah,
and
that is the thing.
The success or transformation or creation purely lies in where I negotiate those habits with the habits which will contribute me, which will help my life and living. Thanks to you, thanks to universe, there are certain habits are forming and it is going healthy and it is serving me. My another version or a big success purely depends on how many new habits which is going to serve me I'm going to create. That is what the thing I am looking forward to. This is my take. Thank you very much.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Thank you very much. Priya ji, go ahead.
I want to say.
1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, please, go ahead.
So now what's happening is whenever I'm judging someone, it is easier for me to analyze faster. But it happens after I said something or after I judge someone. But it is happening that I'm able to identify that, okay, I have judged someone. And then saying that, okay, it's a nice point of view, makes it more, makes me more at peace. Okay, fine. It is a point of view. I can change it. So that is nice and I'm liking.
Congratulations. That is a very, very useful insight, isn't it?
Yeah.
That allows more creation to happen. And by the way, when are you going to Rajpura?
Tomorrow morning. Actually, they changed my date of joining. So.
Okay, very good. You better make sure there is an internet connection there also. Huh?
Oh, yeah. I need to make sure that also.
हाँ, फिर नहीं तो join कैसे करोगी सुबह-सुबह?
It might take few days. Let's see what happens.
Chalo. All right. Thank you very much. Okay. Anybody else? Anything before we say bye-bye to you?
सर, मैं गाने की 2 लाइन बोलना चाहती हूँ.
हाँ जी, बोलिए. आप बिल्कुल हमारी, आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल मीना कुमारी के जैसे है.
नहीं, लेकिन मुझे गाना तो नहीं आता है अच्छी तरह, लेकिन फिर भी मन कर रहा है बोलने का, इसलिए बोलती हूँ.
हाँ जी, प्लीज प्लीज, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगेगा आप बोलेंगे.
सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हंसी,
वाह,
सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हंसी, हमें डर है हम खो न जाए कहीं, सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हंसी. Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. वो कौन सा है? फूलों में छुपकर बाहर बेचैन है.
ये
Very
कौन
nice.
हंसता है फूलों में छुप कर, बाहर बेचैन है किसकी धुन पर, ये कौन हंसता है फूलों में छुप कर, बाहर बेचैन है किसकी धुन पर, कहीं रुंझुन कहीं रुमझुम, ये देखो नाचे जमी, सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हंसी.
वाह, अरुणा जी, ये
Yes.
कौन हंसता है फूलों में छुपकर, ये कौन गाता है छुप छुप कर. आप अपने आप को सामने तो आइए, फिर आपके लिए गाना गाना पड़ेगा. जरा सामने तो आओ चलिए, छुप
नहीं, मैं तो
चलने में
बहुत सालों के बाद आज
राज है.
गाई हूँ, बहुत सालों के बाद मैंने आज गाया है.
हाँ, मगर ये छुप छुप के छलने में क्या राज है.
थोड़ा थोड़ा नखरा कर रही हूँ अभी.
Oh, all right, great. Thank you so much. What a fitting finale to the Sunday session. कुनैन साहब का हाथ खड़ा हो गया है, so उनको शेर सुनाना होगा. Go ahead.
नहीं, गाना सुनाना है.
अरे सुनाइए सुनाइए सर जी. We can make Sunday session into entertainment session. but we
This
will
is
be-
dedicated to Vetri.
तो इसलिए आपने भी अपना चेहरा छुपा दिया है.
नहीं, वो कैमरा कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया आज.
अच्छा अच्छा. हाँ जी, बताइए.
गाना है कि चाहूंगा तुझे मैं सांझ सवेरे,
आए, आए.
चाहूंगा तुझको सांझ सवेरे. बैटरी
फिर भी कभी अब नाम को तेरे आवाज
लेकिन-
में ना दूंगा. यही
लेकिन
गाना है.
वेट्री के लिए दूसरा है सर.
हाँ.
चाहूंगा मैं तुझे सांझ सवेरे, क्योंकि मुझे दोपहर में सोने की आदत है. थैंक यू सर.
So we are really closing it on a lighter note. Okay, guys, thank you very much. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful Sunday, and we will see you tomorrow for another session of empowering morning conversations. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
And Vetri and Company, we have our TOTC session this evening.